Hello there, my name is Ismail Fatu. So I was scrolling through Facebook one day and I saw the advert of this guy who was talking about how he coaches entrepreneurs for free on WhatsApp on how they can step up their business game, and how they can increase their sales, blah blah blah, a lot of that. So I jumped on the link. I got to his WhatsApp and I asked him to see my contact so that I can be viewing his status to benefit from his updates. And I can tell you that since that day, anytime I come to WhatsApp, I search for Joseph Don. I took up his class recently, which is the 100k monthly challenge, and then the class was really so fascinating and fantastic. In fact, the value given in that class, anything Joseph Don does, because I've attended some of his classes also, paid and free, anything he does is just massive value and very practical. So if he tells you, I can confidently tell you that anything Joseph Don asks you to do, whether free or paid, just jump on it, because you can never see the value of such anyway again. I'm very confident about that. So after that challenge, I was able to pull 6 figures. In fact, it was my first time of ever doing that online. I've been in online business for about 3 years ago, and then that challenge just changed the game. Like, it changed the game. Talk about the copywriting course he gave us in the class, the bonsai course, every courses in there was just too massively valued, and I really appreciate you have done for that. So anything that you do, I'm confident is going to be 10 times the value is offering you.